How to use LawDepot NDA templates properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think using an NDA template is as simple as filling in a few blanks, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can render their agreements unenforceable or leave critical information unprotected. The first mistake is failing to define the scope of confidential information clearly. NDAs only protect what is explicitly mentioned. Beginners who leave the description vague risk disputes if sensitive information is leaked. Another common error is neglecting the duration of the agreement. NDAs should specify how long confidentiality obligations last. Beginners who skip this step may find that sensitive information is unprotected after a certain period. Many users also ignore the distinction between unilateral and mutual NDAs. A unilateral NDA protects only one party, while a mutual NDA protects both. Beginners often choose the wrong type, leading to imbalanced protections. Failing to include proper remedies for breaches is another pitfall. LawDepot allows you to add penalties or legal recourse, but beginners sometimes leave this blank, weakening enforcement if the agreement is violated. Finally, some assume templates are one size fits all. While LawDepot provides a solid framework, beginners who don't review or customize the document may miss critical clauses specific to their industry or situation. To use LawDepot NDA templates properly, define confidential information clearly, set an appropriate duration, choose the correct NDA type, specify remedies for breaches, and customize the template to your needs. Avoid these mistakes, and your NDA will protect your business confidently and legally.